Now, on Friday, we've got the US ISM non-manufacturing PMI print expected to come in at 54.5, slightly down from the prior reading of 55.2. But if you just check out the last print, that was a real surprise. And this sudden tick up in non-manufacturing PMI was part of the reason why the Fed pricing has changed on more aggressive Fed hike bets. So that means that the print on Friday is in a major focus for the US. Now, if we get a big miss in the print, say it comes in below 52.4, then some traders are going to be unwinding bets of a more hawkish Fed. And we're likely to see risk turn positive, and that should support the S&P 500 higher. So if you just look at Seasonax's helpful tool here, what you can see is over the last 119 US ISM non-manufacturing prints, the S&P 500 has gained in the following days after the print. So this should mean that if we do get a miss, then we could potentially expect some upside in the S&P 500 on Friday. It's definitely one to look for, and this is an economic data point not to miss. Remember, HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. So please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Major trade risks. The major trade risk here, of course, all outlooks have risk, is that there's another high print, which would obviously encourage hawkish Fed bets, and that would be a natural headwind for the S&P 500 and would run counter to the seasonal pattern that we can see here. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.